2019 Chevrolet Colorado WT, 2019 Chevrolet Colorado Z71 Diesel, 2019 Chevrolet Colorado Diesel. The midsize segment in truck class is full of vehicles from many carmakers. So, it is not easy to be on top. That is exactly what will 2019 Chevrolet Colorado try to achieve. Well, we could rather say maintain, since the pickup is already a strong rival to most of the trucks in this class. It manages to keep the pace with the Ford F-150 as a leader in the segment. This is not an easy task, especially with the speed of development of pickup trucks. During next season we will see diesel models as the major change for F-150. The 2019 Colorado is also about to introduce a new diesel into its lineup. Changes on the upcoming truck are not minor. Not only true fans but also people who shown interest in Colorado before will notice the modifications. Outside and inside, the truck gets the refresh. Nevertheless, comfort and safety were highlights before, and these are now on the even higher level. As we already mentioned, changes in the engine room will include diesel drivetrain. And what about the hybrid? Not sure at this moment, but we can't say no to any Chevy's plan. Finally, the company will extend the trim level lineup. Currently, buyers can choose between 5 standard versions, and some limited editions, such as Redline. The same units will come for 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. But, with the new diesel engine, fans are sure that Chevy is preparing special and unique editions of the pickup truck. 2019 Chevrolet Colorado engines, diesel, specs. The 2019 Chevrolet Colorado is coming with a new diesel drivetrain. However, changes are also possible for petrol lineup. But, let's see what is ready for sure. 3 engines from the current truck will come again for an upcoming pickup. So, the base unit is a 2.5L 4-cylinder VVT. More power comes from 3.6L V6, also a VVT drivetrain. Current diesel truck offers a 2.8L Duramax engine. Power output is between 200 HP, delivered by 2.5L unit, and 310 HP. The turbo diesel engine can produce 220 HP and 370 lb-ft of torque. Energy goes through an 8-speed automatic transmission, for higher-end models. The base truck is using a 6-speed Hydra-Magic gearbox. New additions. The 2019 Chevy Colorado is not taking a high spot in the truck segment by chance. Constant innovations and development of new models and parts are what our fans already used to. For upcoming model, we will probably see 2 new engines and the transmission box. Petrol drivetrains will get a competition with turbo 4 gasoline unit. According to rumors, it can deliver 270 HP and 290 lb-ft of torque. Also, this one should be more fuel-friendly than the V6 unit, and power output is close. Another addition is a diesel unit. Well, it could be the same Duramax powertrain, but with the tuning of suspension, shocks, and other parts. This treatment would improve everything about the Colorado truck. Finally, a new 10-speed auto transmission is also on the way. With it, the ride will be smoother. 2019 Chevrolet Colorado mid-cycle refresh of trim levels. The revisit of the 2019 Chevrolet Colorado includes few significant additions. Besides that, the company will mix options and features from trim levels. However, it is not going to be a random draw. Some equipment will be somehow downgraded and available at lower trim levels. This can mean only one thing, that new features are coming. So, once again, the interior of the Chevrolet Colorado will give a feeling of a ride in a sedan. Even in the entry-level vehicle, we can find a lot of equipment. MyLink infotainment comes with 6-speaker audio and USB ports. Driver's seat includes 4-way power adjuster, while passengers have 2-way. It can get carpet floors or storage under seats. Higher trims bring more equipment. The 16-inch wheels are standard, and LT trim comes with 1-inch bigger rims. However, it is not all, since there are 2 higher levels. These are coming with unique details inside and outside. Also, performance is boosted with special off-road packages. Exterior. There is no reason to make radical changes on the 2019 Chevrolet Colorado appearance. This truck is already stylish, and buyers are not so keen on sportier and aggressive models. Instead, Chevy Colorado should get small tuning to bolster aerodynamic and protection. For these, we can find solutions on the front fascia. A bumper is definitely the main part. Also, larger air intakes will help with cooling of the engine. The smoother shape of the Colorado pickup is going to boost aerodynamics and airflow. This could lead to slightly better fuel economy. One thing is sure, the truck will use the same platform and dimensions are not changing for the 2019 year model. 2019 Chevy Colorado colors. For the next season, the small pickup truck will refresh exterior paint jobs. However, this is one of the final detail we are about to learn. Info about exterior colors is available at launching date, and companies are adding new paint jobs during the life cycle of the truck. However, the 2019 Chevrolet Colorado will refresh current offer and add 1 or 2 more colors. In the end, we will have a completely new lineup of colors. Z71, zr2, Redline Edition. Top of the range will be again Z71 and zr2 trim levels. Already for Z71, we have off-road suspension. This improves capability for a ride on the tough terrains. The zr2 package further improves the styling with off-road features. Wider, with higher ground clearance, this trim gets a special damping system. If that is not enough, we will see 2019 Chevrolet Colorado zr2 in unique Redline Edition. This pickup will bring only stylish details, while there are no changes under the hood. 2019 Chevrolet Colorado pricing. The new 2019 Chevrolet Colorado is going to keep the pricing of the current lineup. So, entry-level trims are available from $21,200 without additional equipment. WT and LT are bringing more features and higher price. However, these are still under $30,000, and the Z71 is the first model to cost more. The exact price will be known later since some new systems are preparing for this and zr2. However, we can't imagine what the last one is going to show this time. The current truck costs $41,000, and its price could jump to $3,000 to $4,000 with new equipment. When can we expect 2019 Chevrolet Colorado? The premiere of the 2019 Chevrolet Colorado is not expected before the final months of 2018. Nevertheless, first, we will see the base model and 2 higher trim levels. In 2019, Chevy is going to introduce new versions of Z71 and zr2. Limited and other editions will be shown off at special occasions. Thanks.